Crochet belt. A crochet handmade belt is a stylish and unique accessory. Crafted using crochet techniques, this type of belt is usually made by crocheting yarn or thread into a long flexible strip, which can be fastened around the waist using a buckle or a crochet button closure. Handmade crochet belts are not only fashionable but also a fun and creative project. For crocheting enthusiastic, they can be a great addition to your wardrobe or a thoughtful handmade gift for someone. They can feature various stitch patterns, colors, allowing for a wide range of styles to suit different outfits and occasions. Crochet belts can be adorned with decorative elements like beads, tassels, or fringe to add a touch of flair. So if you enjoy this crochet belt design, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned to my channel.